Welcome to our channel Box Office Release. Let's start the video now. Secret of the Whales, all the major updates. Golden Globe and BAFTA triumphing actress Sigourney Weaver, Alien, Avatar, Gorillas with Inside the Mist has been taped to relate Secrets of the Whale, a 4-component occasion collection for Nat Geo, with Oscar triumphing filmmaker and National Geographic explorer at large James Cameron to function government manufacturer. The collection, which chronicles the whale manner of existence, is about to premiere globally on Nat Geo on Earth Day, April 22 of 2021 in 172 nations and 43 languages. The assignment turned into introduced Monday as a part of Nat Geo's digital Summertime Season TCA press exertion presentation. From National Geographic explorer and photographer Brian Skerry, Secrets of the Whale chronicles the whale manner of existence and the demanding situations and triumphs in an ever-converting ocean. Filmed throughout 3 years in 24 locations, this movie is a non-public saga venturing deep into the arena of whales to expose existence and love from their perspective. Per Nat Geo, Weaver courses visitors on an adventure to the coronary heart of a whale way of life to enjoy the terrific communic abilities and difficult social systems of 5 one-kind whale species. With the assistance of recent technological know-how and technology, visitors witness whales making lifelong friendships, coaching extended family background and traditions to their younger and grieving deeply for the lack of cherished ones. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. Skerry's cutting-edge paintings can also be featured in National Geographic Mag and National Geographic Book Secrets of Whales timed to the special. National Geographic has lengthy been depending our connection to the arena around us, and I am venerated to crew up with them to relate this beautiful collection, says Weaver. Viewers rise near and private and enjoy the terrific emotion, grace and energy of these superb creatures. They get to recognize them in detail as a way to go in the long run comprehend simply how to like them we are. Secrets of the Whales has all kind of the factors I love. New technology used for clinical inquiry, wrapped in extraordinary storytelling that visually excites and emotionally resonates, says Cameron. I'm proud to be part of this with my longtime partner, National Geographic, in displaying super new insights into the international of whales, their emotion and way of life. These majestic, mysterious animals keep to marvel us. Capturing those whales in the movie has been one of the maximum profitable reports of my whole existence, and I'm pleased to deliver the complexity and splendor of those creatures proper to visitors residing rooms, says Skerry. It is my wish that during venturing into these international, visitors apprehend themselves in those animals' joys, pain, love, and relationships and areas stimulated through them as I am. One of the arena's pinnacle ocean photographers, Skerry has spent extra than 10,000 hours underwater documenting uncharted territory and elucidating environmental issues regularly made to coverage change. Secrets of the Whales is produced for National Geographic through Red Rock Films. For Red Rock Films, Brian Armstrong and Shannon Mellon du Benedicts are government manufacturer. For Earthship, James Cameron and Maria William are government manufacturers and Kim Butts is a partner manufacturer. For National Geographic, Pamela Caragol is a government manufacturer and Jeff Daniels is government vice chairman of World Unscripted Amusement for National Geographic Global Networks. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more box office, movie, web series, reviews, news and update, please visit our website www.boxofficerelease.com. And if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Box Office Release.